Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling, and welcome to our first ice fishing video of the 2021 season. As you can see, I am clearly not outside and I'm clearly not on hard water, but over the past few days before this little warm spell rolled in southern Ontario, we had some good clear ice. We had about 4 inches of black ice where we were fishing. And yeah, we were just at a couple local ponds, and there's just a few of us that are just itching to get out and itching to get a bite. So we headed out. We were going after, the target species was pike, panfish, like bluegill, crappie, perch, anything that really would, anything that would hit some lures. So yeah, we headed out, and over a couple day period, we landed some good quality pike for our area, and it was just, yeah, it was a blast to get out there and test out some new equipment. We're testing out the new Dakota Lithium 24 volt electric auger, which was just a beast. I'm loving it already. We set up some iFish Pros, which is an absolute asset to have out there. Really fun to fight pike on a tip-up rod with where you actually get to fight it on the reel. So yeah, we had a blast. Hope you guys enjoy the content, and yeah, we'll catch you after the video.
Flag, flag, flag! Yep. Yeah? Yep.
Loose. There we go. Run. What's the...
Oh, I'm on the ice. There we go.
Oh yeah, dude. This could be not bad.
I'm on the ice. It's good.
Yeah? Like
Yeah.
no power?
Well, I can't. Oh, there it is.
Right?
Gotta be close, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, that's the problem. We're gonna have to hand line it. We're gonna have to hand line it. Oh!
Whoa!
That's gotta be a pike. Loosen the drag on that.
I got it loose.
Okay, reel?
Yeah.
Still with that thing on it?
Yeah. Oh, I see it. It's a nice pike.
No way.
See it under the ice?
Oh, yeah.
Good pike. Chase! Why didn't you squeeze its head? Why did you not squeeze its head? It was right there. I'm sorry. Well, there goes my 50 bucks. That was my fault, I'm not gonna lie. No, I said, would you say you hate me? Yeah! Woo! Ayala! Nice! Here! Why did you not yell fish? Here. Nice.
So we just got our first fish. It only took the girls to show up to finally put a fish on the top side. So Ayala with a beautiful little northern pike. That's the first fish of 2021. Well, for Ayala. The boys got to put in some work. We're gonna get some pictures and then get a nice release of this beauty.
Oh, nice. I don't like this hole. You're on? Here, just take it easy, take it slow. Oh yeah, let it go, let it run if it needs to run. All right, and then reel. Just, yeah, and if it needs to run, if it starts to feel pressure. Oh yeah, another pike. You're good. Just let it, if it needs to run, let it run. Yeah, another pike. Ryan, I'm setting you up with a minnow. Have you even been jigging or pretty still?
No, I've been jigging.
Yeah? There you go. Oh no, let it go. When it wants to go that way, you gotta bend your rod that way. So if it's that way, keep it that way. If it goes that way, keep it that way. It's gotta be coming. There we go. Just a jig and a minnow. And off she goes. What's the technique?
Just doing what I do.
4 inches. Let's go set Maddie up with a jig and a minnow. Oh, on. Off. Just like that. Alright guys, just like that. I just was getting everything set up. Decide, hey, I haven't been doing intros right at the start, so I'm gonna do an intro. As I have my line down, I'm just getting things situated, about to grab the camera, pull my jig up just a tiny bit and get whacked by Pike. Whacked. Had him on for about 3 seconds as you saw, and yeah, lost him. Didn't get any hooks in him. My drag was way loose. And I'm using a light rod just to keep things fun. So I don't know if he got too many hooks though, to be honest. My minnow's still there, so I'm not feeling too discouraged that he's gone. He'll be back. He'll be back. That's a mark. That's a bigger mark. There you go.
Oh, hey Sean, what is it?
Definitely a pike.
Pike?
There you go. I don't think a big one.
You think it's a good one?
No, I don't think it's a big one.
What do you want me to do?
He's gonna come in.
Oh yeah, yeah. I saw him.
Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Oh, choked it. Absolutely choked it.
Alright, that is by no means a giant, and definitely the smallest pike we've got out of here, but it's my first fish over 4 inches of the year, so I'm pretty jacked about it. Came up, marked it, and he absolutely took that spoon down. So let's get a quick release of her and get back to it. That's what we're looking for.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed a few of those catches. Like I said, I didn't get too much content, but yeah, it was just definitely good to get out with everybody. Had the girlfriends out there, had the old man, the sister was skating around and having a blast. But yeah, it was sweet to get a line in the water. It was sweet to get a few fish on topside. And yeah, if you guys are going to get out there though, make sure to be checking ice, be drilling, spudding holes. Just make sure that you guys are being safe and taking the precautions you need to. We were drilling every 15 feet to make sure that the ice didn't change and we were all safe. But yeah, get out there on that early ice. Fish are vicious, fish are hungry, and they haven't seen a bait in a while. So yeah, definitely get out there. I'd recommend it. But yeah, just be safe, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.